Okay, so I would like to know more about like the other products. जैसे आपने एक window की बात करी about khakras, about bhakri. What are the other products that the company is offering?
If I want to put it, जो normal snacks के अंदर जो भी item होते हैं, so specifically talking of snack category, and what we are focusing is कि the products which are consumed on a daily basis. So the next products which are coming up is यहाँ पे अभी क्या होता है, soya sticks is something which is very vibrant.
Soya sticks.
So soya sticks में क्या होता है कि again it is a fried product and again fried from palm oil. एंड लोग सोया समझ के, प्रोटीन समझ के खाते हैं कि भाई सोया है तो इट इज़ गुड, हेल्दी. लेकिन उसके अंदर इफ़ यू रीड द कंटेंट, मोस्ट ऑफ द कंटेंट वुड बी टेपियोका स्टार्च. द फर्स्ट कंटेंट वुड बी टेपियोका स्टार्च. सोया परसेंटेज उसमें कभी डिपेंडिंग अपॉन प्रोडक्ट टू प्रोडक्ट 10%, 12%, 15% सोया होता है उसके अंदर. सो वॉट वी थॉट इज कि सोया प्रोडक्ट्स बच्चे बहुत खाते हैं, मतलब सोया स्टिक्स अगर मैं बात करूँ. सो वी हैव री इन्वेंटेड द प्रोडक्ट इन डिफरेंट वे. हमने उसको फ्राइंग हटा के वी हैव मेड इट बेक्ड विद द सेम टेस्ट, same new crunch. Soya ka percentage is quite high and we have mixed it with millets.
Okay.
So what has happened is ke the people who will be consuming it will think ke abhi soya ka product hai aur acha product hai, hum kha rahe hain. Later on they'll find out ke this is a healthy product made from millet and soya, and that is what we are coming up with. Secondly, जो extruded snacks का market है जिसके अंदर अपन puffs बोलते हैं या knots बोलते हैं या इस तरीके की चीज़ आती है, we have come up with a new product which is called knots. And that is again made from jowar, and no palm oil, no corn, no artificial things, and available in 10 rupees.
Okay,
so
nice.
the idea is to reach to masses. That is what we are doing.
And to add on, if I have to talk about the health perspective of it, moms are always worried about their kids' health.
Yes.
And they want something which my kid should be fit, healthy, growing kind of and stuff. Soya sticks bolo, yeah, this puff, knots, whatever the items that we are making with millets, they taste same as what the other snacks would be. And children typically would choose over any of the product only because of the taste that it is. Internally, mom is happy because she is giving something healthy to it. Kid is happy because he is getting that taste. So a win-win situation for a family is the product that we've come up with.
Right. और आजकल वैसे बच्चे जो होता है ना नॉर्मल कैंटीन में बैठे हैं या फिर ऐसी नॉर्मल जैसे बीच में लेक्चर होता है, तो ये जो है सबसे ज्यादा चाय के साथ, कॉफी के साथ ये सबसे ज्यादा कंज्यूम होता है और प्रेफर भी करते हैं बच्चे.
Yes.